Welcome back to the vlog. First group ride of the year.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
Yun! What's up?
Oh, clear. Everybody can go. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Wala sa plastic.
We are already past Red Rock. So what do we do? What do you guys want to do? What up?
Nagpas tayo Red Rock pala, ano?
Oo nga eh.
Pau-pau.
Sa taas.
Saan?
Pau-pau na sa taas.
Saan taas?
Helicopter.
Puta.
Chopper.
JR kung saan saan nakatingin ang puta. Sa area ang puta. What the fuck?
Saan? Go, go.
Here we go. Here we go, we go.
Here we go. This is gonna be the first long ride for the monster.
First long ride.
Ngayon lang lalayo ito na. Oo, pinakamalayo na ito.
Sa ano?
Uncommons.
Uncommons.
Ang diretso ito actually, Flamingo.
Oh.
Scenic route. Dun sa ano, Rotonda.
Oh, sige, una ka. Mas maganda may sinusundan ako dahil blinded ako dyan eh. Una ka.
Sige, sandali lang. Sige, diretso lang, diretso. All the way, diretso lang.
How's the weather on the naked bikes, guys?
What?
It's good.
bro. Oh yeah.
It's pretty warm over here on the adventure side, guys.
It's good. Good for you guys. Go ahead, Boogie. Go forward. More. Up, for you. What's up? Ace Pro 2. Let's go straight, folks.
Taking the inside road, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, you know.
This is the OG Grom route.
OG Grom route.
All the roundabouts. Yeah, which way do we go?
Keep going straight. Don't go straight, the runabout, but go around it. Eh?
Go straight back.
Damn, only one
Look at that, boss.
only one track there, and you lean like that. You only did one track day and you lean like a cholo? What's up, man?
Hey, all the way. Diretso lang yan. All the way lang. Wide ba yan? Wide? Is it wide?
Oh, it's hella wide, bro. It's 189.
Nice! I can see it from here.
Actually, tabihan mo pa ako eh.
Ayun, nakita ko dito. Yeah, pang ano yan? Pang main camp. Kasi wide eh, no?
Oo,
Pwede rin eh, no?
pwede rin yan.
Tapping. I can see myself on Pogi's CCTV.
Baby. Laptop. Grease 2400 trap eh, oh.
Alright.
Alright. Ano, putak mo ng white yan yun ah. It's white.
What is?
Your Benz.
Oh yeah. 189 eh. Lagpas nga yan sa camera mismo eh.
I wonder the quality.
Yeah, nakikita nga actually. Yung side mirror nakikita rin eh.
Oh shit, gano'n
Yeah.
pa naman.
Yeah, kasi 180 lang yung ganto eh. Eh, 189 to eh.
Plus 9 degrees, no?
Ah.
Each side. Kaliwa tayo.
It's somebody keep the lead.
It's okay.
No, I don't like that. I don't like being in the front. I like being in the back.
Ooh, you like in the back, huh?
Hmm? Fuck them in the butt.
Go, folks.
Go.
Damn, the construction started last summer. It's still construction.
Yeah, progress though.
Can I go?
Like, remember the bike lane on the right?
Yeah.
It wasn't there when we went, no?
Oh yeah, it's here. It's open now. Oh well, I mean it's there now. Yeah.
It's there now, yeah.
Lapad ng puwet, oh. Monster Fighter, gago. Austin Racing.
Austin.
Kamusta kamay mo to? Kayos naman? Okay naman. Good?
No problema, man.
Yeah.
Okay na, okay. Okay. Wala kang alay. Kayo kaliwa. Hado tayo ng freeway side street para may right.
Yup. Makiikot lang. Clear, boys. Stay to the right. This is Mountain's Edge, the very south side, southwest of Las Vegas.
Ako talaga, puta, maglo-long ride tayo to eh. California to, sabi ni Pogi.
He came to my house, man. He started knocking. Then he forgot his phone.
End to end. Yup, cactus.
Yeah, that's a nice house on the right, man.
Hey,
Shit.
buy this house, folks.
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh, dude, look at the garage. Look at the garage.
That's gonna be the HQ, folks.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
boy.
One that can afford that is JR.
Exit. Yup.
Oh, are we gonna exit?
Oh, sige na. Go straight, I guess. Oh, sama.
11:12.
11:13.
Pagdating natin doon, uwi na si kay JR.
Yeah, it's gonna take forever in Las Vegas Boulevard, huh?
So I'm saying.
Okay, we take a U-turn. We take a U-turn at St.
Sige na.
Rose.
Ako naman na dyan. Tapos sa Sloan tayo. Ito naman.
Sloan, exit tayo na Sloan?
Oo.
Okay.
Bomba mo si George doon.
Oh, George is working today?
Yeah, it's his Monday today. Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Hmm.
Oh, he changed schedule too?
Yeah, everybody did. Nobody's outside.
What is outside?
Nobody's outside.
Seven 16.
Oh shit, we're gonna go here.
7:30.
Pogi, slow down. Sorry, I forgot Sloan. It's slow and fuck, this is gonna be cold for you guys. Fuck.
Oh, it's gonna be the same. It's gonna be the same. So, JR naka-ready, naka-adventure jacket.
Naka-gloves din yan, nakita ako eh.
Oh. We're good.
Let me know what's a good cruising speed. I'm gonna set it there.
You know, we're US. We're good.
Oh shit, son! You guys set the pace. Let's go. Riding. Hey, be careful on the dirt, okay, guys?
Una ka na kasi ano.
Ha?
Oo. Kasi alis na lang kami ay. Mauna ka ng parking. Oo.
Sige. Supportahan mo, Mac, para mas madali. Baka dumulas yan.
Keep it straight, folks. Straight.
Straight.
There you go. And then go right. Right. There you go. All the way. Ito na. O, sige, kanan. Yan. Kanan. Yeah. O, diretso lang. Okay, all the way.
Alright, we made it.
Diretso ako. Yan.
That was a cool ride.
Was it cool? My shit died.
What died?
My camera.
Le camera ski. Look at the Humvee, bro. Damn. Alright, we are back. Pioneer Saloon. Time to eat. Let's go. Para makakain ng matino si JR. Sabay-sabay pa rin tayo uwi niyan.
Oh, sakto lang. It's nice that you have a balikbayan box here, folks.
Alright guys, so we finally made it here sa Pioneer Saloon. We started the ride from Pogi's house, and then we took the west part of Vegas, headed to Red Rock, and then inikot kami sa Mountain's Edge all the way here, and now we're here. I don't even know how many miles we did, pero we are here. We're gonna eat lunch and then babalik na ng Vegas kasi si Kuya JR hanggang alauna lang siya. Si Omar TV. Ay! Ay! Happy na naman naka-ride. Always. Yo, oh shit! Refreshant.
Sorry guys. Yes, ma'am. There you go. We have no ribs or naked hot legs at the moment.
It was good. November.
Alright, lunch is over. A burger and fries lang naman ang binanata namin today. Para hindi ka masyadong busog dahil tutuloy na tayo uli sa ride. balik na tayo ng Vegas dahil yung aming Cinderella na kasama today hanggang alauna lang si Kuya JR. Pero okay na rin, at least nakapag-ride. And once na inabutan kami ng sunset tas dimilim na dito sa Vegas, it's gonna get cold quick kasi nasa gitna pa rin kami ng winter. Alam ko na dala na namin kayo dito before, but it's our first for 2026. Alright, so we'll gear up, get ready, and let's head home. Tignan natin kung saan tayo bibisita pagbalik natin ng city. Parang gusto namin pumunta sa Eurocycle. We shall see. Yun, kitang kita sa wide angle yung Pioneer Saloon. Boom!
Go ahead.
Just move up and then I'll go around you.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's
Thanks for
go!
lunch.
Thank you, thank
Good
you.
lunch, boys.
Thanks.
Did everything close at the Prim now? There's no more shopping there?
Oh yeah, no more.
Oh, this casino, I think.
Yeah.
Casino's still open.
Alright, Eurocycle it is. May checkan tayo mga motor. Pero na naman pinagtitripan. Nasa T100. T2 2012 and up became Dunkin Donuts sa Timog. Wala na kami mapuntahan. It's time to Dunkin the donut. TikTok baby! Yeah boy! Timog Dunkin Donuts! Going home, folks?
Yes, sir. Gotta pick up the kids.
Bye. Thank you, folks. Thank you, Hallmark TV.
Thank you.
We'll see you guys on the next one. God bless everyone. and be a blessing to one another. Peace.